Me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. In my previous post, me mamoti asiye say mekasa fa nsem bi ho. Na am say Kennedy Japan ene insofo nsem a womo ekoso nyina no. There is an underlying issue bi Ghana for we are refusing to see. Eno na me pese yakasa efa ho. Nanso na ebeto aso no subscribe na click the notification bell no. Eno na down screen so you say latest news bi about wonsa ebeka. Asem na me pese yakasa efa ho. Asem ni personally, I'll use a personal feeling. Personally, me yobia. I don't know for what would hear me. Ma me susu se wokra sana ote. Me yobia se wobi kan sama fa me ho. Na enye ne kra. Na bia nipa ko na sema wo kan egu me ho fi. Na asema nipa ko ne kan enye ne kra a. There is no way me fechi se me kosre nipa ko no ana me kopa nipa ko no chow. Se asem na wo kan wonjai. If I know what the person is saying about me is not the truth, there's no way I will go and even beg the person's friend. Say, oh, Mesre, oh, the maninja ekasa no, na wogu menimo ase. Se minim se me, the nebakone kana, nye ne kre, yentro no chafa atome soa. Me nko nkopa ne choda, because ne kre ne ewo me mafa, the okana yentro. I am right. Emra Kennedy Japan ene nsofo wenia ensensem ekoso no ebi mo beka oh Melodies and the obi frame say Kennedy Japan ne nsofo ne nsem no ekoso no Melodies na wo ke bia ma nsofo no afei de asa waswitch a wo ka ma Kennedy Japan ade na won kasa ma nsofo ni bio na asem wa meka twa ne ba kunini hwe ono nsofo na nkasa no won kasa ma ne hu bio mo ono nsofo no won kasa ma ne hu biom wo fechi akwa Kennedy Japan acho se wo de boni bia ma ye ne fa che me ya badwimba if me ameti abontin me hu ne say oh the reason why I was speaking for Sofu way and say Kennedy Japan didn't provide proof. Yes, Kennedy Japan can send baby fan Sofu ne ho. I've told you here, I've shown you proof say ensem ni bia waka no enye ne kre, but ensem no so dodo na so ye ne kre. Kennedy Japan aba be prove wa be show proof. So the question I ask myself, me say who Osofu ya make kasa enya say e bia na make kasa kre defend Osofu no. The na make can say Kennedy Japan no fa prove mbra ansa me be gie di say Osofu we koku nipa Osofu we koku nipa. Provide proof untumi betena se kasa akekenfo obi ho na won pese Ghana for e be gie di. That's what I said. And people saw it like I was talking for Osofu no. I don't have any problem. But ono Osofu na nkasa no wo fechi akwa Kennedy Japan acho. Wo fechi akosre Kennedy Japan say mesrew odi afa cheme. Then you want me to still sit at to still sit behind the scenes or to still sit back and defend Osofu no? No. Even him is not defending himself. Even him, he's apologizing. How would I sit on my channel and defend him? I can't do that. Into omo kan say ene wo sha ase no na nsofo no wo kan mo sisia no still kan samo na de kan Japan ye no enye no. That's your answer right there. Now let's go into the matters. And then me say me bramo the list of pastors wo mo akopa Kennedy Japan acho. Now I just have one question. Say unkodi bone a why are you begging Kennedy Japan? It's just a simple question I'm asking you. Wunnim ewo wakumem. Say someone Kennedy Japan where can wakoku nipa utonwe unnim wakumem say Kennedy Japan kasa ansem na. I just have one question for you. Why are you begging Kennedy Japan? So for no mesramo unnim so for bia waka wo mo ayebo mu din ne ho a video yi send mo. Now yankon so for ne so ebimo de yatse ene ye de bekasa Kennedy Japan ankasa kasa about ebimo nso wo mo nkrofo nsem a wo aba abontin aba beka ene ye de bekasa. The very first one Reverend Bedukobi. Kenya Japan can send be brave and ho cars and sem bedu ko bi ne church members that or rich church members just say a ritual in sem be brave bedu ko bi ahomachi wo yusu jujufo e won the church premises. Kenya Japan can send be brave and bedu ko bi ho later bedu ko bi e ko Kenya Japan fie e ko sre no boniface so mfa ne boninche no. So what is the message Bedu Kobi is sending to his followers and us out there? Mimi dey say yes, ebia won nye bone asema Kenya Japan e ka no. Say we ku nipa ne we no ebia won nye. But there is no way won nye sa de na. Obesan so akose wo kwa akopa ne chow. Obi a wo twa ntwa to so there is no way. The worst you can even do and they say obeye kom na nipa ko na kasa. You not even speak with the person because when you say nipa ko ne ntro no twa fa ho. Into won ko ne nim kasa wo kwa akopa ne chow. Kenya Japan last week ma yeti ase Bedu Kobi no last 2 weeks o ma yeti ase Bedu Kobi eba ne fie obehu ne opan oda na yeri ase ne nyama because apparently mbra Kenya Japan sha ase say wo expose Bedu Kobi no wono Kenya Japan yeri eken bi ma Bedu Kobi nti Bedu Kobi ko Kenya Japan fie no oda na yeri ase say me da ase say wo ken bi ma me anyway. So that is the first question to Bedu Kobi and say wa Kenya Japan de to so ni na say yentra. Why did you go to his house to beg him? Now, the second pastor I want to talk about is Pastor Love. Monday, Kennedy Japan ebetina ne 2 the seat so eno ma eti ase say Pastor Love e de Joanto akoma Kennedy Japan na dan fo bia ye frɛ no Guy G o se den e wo America ama Guy G na frɛ wono Kenya Japan na train say Pastor Love say ensemo a waka fa ne ho nia ye ne krenti on your srel. Just for me today to wake up and shout out to the Announcer newspaper. Meaning say yes, mo can you subscribers on YouTube for train say mo subscribe. So shout out to the Announcer newspaper. Just for me to wake up and see a post on the Announcer newspaper. Pastor Love 89 say fansem no yentro won sre Kenya Japan bia won country Kenya Japan bia say eye ne kre na wapanecho asemo Pastor Love e can know and I'll bring you that story later. But that story ne can no even Pastor Love contradicted himself because on my yeti as say yes when you on my hene kasai on my hene you close to Kenya Japan ne kasai na oka say okay obe find date na on Kenya Japan wakasa ansa na ono Pastor Love no ne sumo pastor bia ye friend Wuche ebe friend trend say woni mo bia wo America wo oye Kenya Japan wadanfo e ma wo mo ye conference call mo kasai. So there's a contradiction there. Ama wo mo kasai say e wo say Kenya Japan e de bibia esi. So there's a contradiction. Why babonse be ka say nsema Kenya Japan ne kan ne kra bi anim. But you are saying say you had a conference call with his friend who is in America. And Kenya Japan so ka say na that for wo America friend trend say Pastor Love e de Grantoa aba. Also say dabi, but send medin kan etre wono. We will talk about that more. Yebekasa about that in the next post. And somewhere Pastor Love kan e wo the Announcer newspaper. The next software wono so ya kone so Prophet Nakwa Isaac. Na wono na Kennedy Japan ebe show Vena mineral water. Wo yi label no ede nanim ebo so a wo friend nkwansu a wo ton aboden no wono so according to Kennedy Japan no Kennedy Japan na dan for pan e friend Chairman Buti na kwano ko ne fie da for mesu nia ka se Kennedy Japan de Kennedy Japan ni ye no begu na asori nti osre Kennedy Japan won fa nche no sensemo a Kennedy Japan ne ka fa wo ho no ntro a why will you do that? It's just a question I'm asking. The next person, Yankasa, Angel Obinim. Yes, Angel Obinim. Obinim Nankasa no, Wamba Bonsimbe Kasai, but his administrator, Feno Edubuahin or so. I've forgotten the name, but I think that's his name. Eba Bontin, Eba Mayet, Yenya Yet say, Womo airplane, say Womo Bakwa Kuhun Kennedy Japan. No more settle. I think they spoke on NIT FM or said, yeah. They will go and see Kennedy Japan and talk about it. Say apology be wo home de bema no. Now, Why would you go and apologize if what Kenny Japan is saying is false? That's my simple question. That's why Mesha says make us no. Me mamoti say it is based on a personal feeling. That's why I'm doing this podcast. And this is the personal feeling. Personally, will be trying to afa me one. No, hell no. Why should I go and apologize to the person? No, I will not do that. And I want to tell you so you know. Say enya dia wo beye. Wo be the tool so and the wakoye na wunim say wonye ya. There is no way. Ubu ka be nipa ko say adan na wo twa ntwa to me so. There is no way you go and beg the person say mesraw odie fache me odie fa no. Once what can say fache me no, it is sin. Say as someone nipa ko no e ka no eye kre trodo. I don't know whether you guys are getting my point, but that is my point. Yes, Reverend Obofo de no de yente say wako Kenny Japan wako pa na cho but no em say onyankrofo a wo mo ne Kenny Japan kasa embra video bi go viral say Reverend Obofo I reply Kenny Japan no. That's the thing. Internet here for ensem no no. No. Me pese mu ni amotra mu adwen e wo comment box ni mu. Asem we asem bi Ghana for en looky at that side here. And so I just wanted to bring light to this matter. Motra mu adwen me that's it.